We have the HEANTLE smart lock with fingerprint and lever. We need to set it up, but this is what happens when you
Unauthorized operation. The system is locked.
try to get in. You can't open up the door. You have one of these little things you need to set up. You simply
Unauthorized operation. The system is locked.
put it over there, and if you can't get in, last resort, you must keep the key in, turn it, and then the door will open. So let's show you how to set this up, show you what it looks like in the back of the unit. There's a number of things we need to go over. We have 4 AA batteries. If you ever get locked out, you got the keys, that's where you get in. And over here, there's a reset button that you don't get one of these, but you can reset the unit by pressing. And you can simply open up your door. If you want it on one side or the other side, that you'll do before your installation. Take your time, look at the instructions, and download the application that is written in the manual. Next lock is the application. This here, you press it once.
Unlocked.
The door gets unlocked. You feel a buzz on your phone.
Locked.
You're able to get in. Within 5 seconds of the app, it'll lock the door again. You have an e-key, passcode card, fingerprints, remote, authorized administrator, records, and setting. I'm going to try to set up for the fingerprints. I'm going to add fingerprint. I'm going to put a name in. And follow the instructions. You must use your thumb.
Press your finger on the sensor.
Once.
Please press again.
Twice.
Please press again.
3.
Please press again.
And 4.
Input successful.
We did our thumb. We're going to unlock the door.
Unlocked.
You have within 5 seconds to turn the handle.
Locked.
Let's set up the card. Add card. Put a name. Next.
Please swipe your card. Input successful.
We have the TF card or the RF card.
Unlocked.
We're able to get in. So those are the different ways of setting up your unit.
Locked.
You have a temporary password so you can give somebody e-keys to get in. Allow 5-10 seconds. And then you're going to press on the reset. And then reinstall your battery. And you're able to start to work on your lock once again. You may find there's some difficulties at times where you're going to delete the app. And then you're going to just basically reset everything on top. This unit is not that hard to learn once you learn it. You're given a cover. It simply slides over and locks up and snaps into place. And you have installed your lock. You get a set of keys, you get the cards, you have fingerprints, you can set it up to anybody. You could open up your door anywhere you want via a smartphone app. So you got a delivery that's being made and you trust the person to come in to drop your deliveries off and so forth. You could put this on a bathroom, a warehouse door, a security door, your front door, anywhere that you can put a lock on the door. I hope you enjoy your product. If this product is right for you, of a security door lock.